Okay, so I killed the battery in my EM 5.7 because I left it on for a couple of months, and even though it kind of shuts itself off, I think there's an LED or something that stays on. So after a couple of months, it brought the voltage of the battery pack to zero. And when the voltage is zero, there's no signal that can be sent to the charger, so the charger won't charge it. So here I'm going to describe a hack to charge up a completely dead battery. Now what we can see here, so when you turn the bike on, you turn on the switch, this is the relay that you hear click. And what it does is internally it connects this positive to this positive down here that you really can't see. I have this lead connected to it. And what you want to do is go ahead and jumper these two things. And you can see when I just did that, yeah, I got this light that came on. So what's happening is you're bypassing that relay. Once you do that, what you want to do is figure out a way to depress the what's it called, the recharge button. You know, like when you're going down a hill and you press this button, and you know, it charges back on the battery. So in my case, what I did here is I just put this rubber strap over the button here to protect it. Then I used just a giant pair of vice grips to hold it closed. So one other thing I've done is connect a voltage meter. Now my technique is to stick a pin through the insulation. That way when you remove it, you still have all the insulation, and it's easy to connect this little jumper to. And the jumper just simply goes to my voltmeter here. And the other thing you want to do is connect your voltmeter to the ground and not the frame, because the frame is not part of the ground system. So in my case right now, I have, I don't know if you can see this, 52 volts, because I've already gone through this and I'm just doing the video here to show you what I've done. But 52 volts is what a fully charged battery looks like. This battery is about 4 years old, so it's still doing all right. So finally, the next thing you want to do is turn it on. This is depressed, and you want to take, in my case, I just had a big drill with the biggest wheel I could find, and turn on the drill, press it on the back tire, and give it about an hour accumulated. You don't have to do it all at once. And charge the battery slowly but surely. At first, it will ultimately show like a red and yellow blinking LED, meaning there is some juice there. I think my little LED came on at about 5 volts. But anyway, the more you spin the back tire, slowly but surely, you'll watch the voltage reading on your voltmeter increase. So, you know, in my case, I held the drill to it for 10 minutes, and then I couldn't hold on to it anymore. Took a break, came back, 10 more minutes, round and around and around. You have to keep doing this until you hit 36 volts, because this relay will not click until it senses 36 volts. Once this gets to 36 volts, now you can go ahead and use the battery charger like normal. Do the normal charging step, and give it a couple hours, and you'll have a fully charged battery.